everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to unboxing the Hermes Beauty. They are coming in this beautiful holiday package. I love these beautiful illustration from the package. Before we get into the actual items, here I got some little gift from my essay. So I'm going to share my gift first. So here I got the kind of a cardboard and you have Hermes suitcase, illustrated suitcase, and it's a Christmas ornament. On the back you have some instruction how to make the Christmas ornament like this. So cute. And here I made a Hermes cardboard Christmas ornament, and I just hanging this one onto my little tree like that. I love it. It's very cute. And I also got these two little boxes. They are also like a Christmas ornament. And let me just open each items. This one first. It's some little mini perfume, Twilly Ginger. It's very cute. I love this candle so much. So it's so nice to have. And let me just open this second little box. There is also a tissue paper. And it's also mini perfume for a man. Very nice. I can give this to my husband. And this little orange gift bag. It has also sample Twilly, and this one is for the summer collection. And I think I have one more item inside. This one is also a perfume, little mini perfume. So I love those little gifts from my essay. Such a nice, cute little stuff. Love them all. And now let's open this orange box together. It's beautifully wrapped them up. And inside has a tissue paper. And we have a dust bag. Very nice to have. Let me open it up. And here are the extra items. So I got those 4 items from Hermes Beauty. So I'm going to open each item and will show you what's inside. So first one is here. This box is also beautiful. It has a Hermes logo. Let me open it. And it is a Hermes nail polish in color number 96. It's in a beautiful luxurious glass bottle, and it has Hermes logo embossed. in gold seal. It's made in France and in a 15 milliliter. And the applicator looks like this. Let me try to make some color swatches. It's kind of dark blue, as you can see. It's more like navy blue color. And let me open this second item. It has also a Hermes orange box. And it is a nail polish as well. And the color number is 33. So beautiful little glass bottle, I love it. And this particular one is same color code as Hermes official branding color. That's why it's so popular, my essay said. So let me try to make a color swatch this one as well. And let me just try to make a color swatch on here. It's so beautiful orange, as you can see. Such a nice color, I love it. I don't have this orange color in my nail polish collection, so I'm so excited to use this one. I love it. And next item is here. In the same orange box, and it is a as you can see here, it's a top coat in this black glass bottle. And let me see if they have a number. It just say top coat. It's also made in France. I'm so excited to use this one. So let me try to open. And as you can see, it's very clear gel type of a top coat. Let me try to apply this one on top of the color swatch. Maybe on here. I'm not sure if you guys can see. But I can see this shine finish. I love it. I can't wait to try on my actual nails. And final item is here. In this beautiful orange box. And items looks like this. Beautiful package. Here is the number and name of the product. And let me just open it up. It is a Hermes Illuminating powder. Let me just remove this protector and you can see the better view. So gorgeous, so beautiful. You can see the H Hermes logo embossed with some illustrations. Such a beautiful looking, and it's a limited edition. So once it's gone, it's gone. I don't know how can I use this one because it's too pretty to be used. Hopefully you guys can see the details. Let me try to make some color swatch for you. Oh, it's very smooth texture. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Here. The texture is very smooth. I can feel that. And it's a golden shimmer highlighter. You can use this one on your face or on your eyes. So beautiful. I love this one so much. And I think this can be a very good Christmas gift for anyone. Love it. This is for today. This is it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I would be happy to answer for that. Follow me on Instagram, chloeidea.collection. Same name as this YouTube channel. I love to interact with other fashion and beauty lovers on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.